In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice in Zoho Books. If you need to make changes to an invoice you've already created, Zoho Books makes the process quick and straightforward. This is useful when you need to update customer information, adjust item details, correct pricing, or fix any small mistakes before moving forward. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can make those edits confidently. To begin, open your Zoho Books account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. This helps avoid editing the wrong invoice by mistake. After you've opened Zoho Books, go to the Sales section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu. The sales area is where you manage customer-facing transactions, including estimates, sales orders, and of course, invoices. Next, click on Invoices. This will open your invoice list, where you can view all the invoices that have been created in your account. Depending on how many records you have, you may want to scroll through the list or use the search and filter options to find the exact invoice you want to update more quickly. Once you locate the specific invoice you want to edit, look for the small arrow drop-down associated with that invoice. Click the arrow down to open the available actions. This menu gives you quick access to different options related to that invoice, and the one you need here is Edit. Click Edit, and the invoice will open in edit mode. From here, you can freely update the details as needed. For example, you might revise the billing information, change the invoice date, update products or services, adjust quantities, edit rates, or make corrections to taxes or notes. As you make changes, it's a good idea to review each section carefully so everything remains accurate and complete. When you're finished editing the invoice, click Save. This will apply your changes and update the invoice record in Zoho Books. After saving, it's worth giving the invoice one final review to confirm that all the updated details appear correctly. That's all it takes to edit an invoice in Zoho Books. As a helpful tip, always double-check whether the invoice has already been sent or paid, since making edits afterward may affect your records or require you to notify the customer. With that, you now know how to quickly find, edit, and save changes to an invoice in Zoho Books.